Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I will inform you some basic knowledge about lathe machine. A lathe machine is a machining tools that is used primarily for shaping metal or wood also. This is three-phase electric lathe machine. It works by rotating the workpiece around a stationary cutting tools. This is the basic principle of shaping or cutting any kinds of tools by lathe machine. Synchronizer motor. There are many types of lathe machine. There are many types of lathe machine that are specialized for different material and techniques. Which lathe machine for which material and which lathe machine for which technique depend on your job. Whatever the type and function, they all operate using this basic holding and rotating mechanism. All type of lathe machine is holding this basic mechanism. Some measurement here showing. Operating lever. The main use of a lathe machine is to remove unwanted part, which part is not need of the material, leaving behind a nicely shaped workpiece. Lead screw feed rod. Known as the motor of machining tools, lathe can be used for a varieties of purposes. Actually, a lathe machine is very important mechanism for mechanical engineering. Thank you all for watching my video.